Hey there tanners, it's Sam here from Tan Angels, and I'm about to show you why the Tan Handy Spray Tan system is the most revolutionary spray tan product to hit the market. First of all, we've got our inbuilt heat dry off setting. That means as soon as you finish tanning, you can turn this switch and you can dry off straight away. Secondly, we've got 8 different speed settings, meaning you can control the flow of how much product comes out right here whenever you like. That gives you the power to choose between the lightest tan or the most ultra dark tan whenever you like. And finally, this is lighter than the average hairdryer. That means you can take it everywhere with you. And I can guarantee you I've always got this with me backstage at every single fashion shoot I've ever done. It's now time to show you guys how to put together the Tan Handy Spray Tan system. There's only 2 components to this system. Firstly, your spray tan applicator. And all we have to do is untwist the cup just like this. Fill to about 2/3, just like I have. Screw it back up. Put it onto your compressor on a 45-degree angle. Twist, and you're ready to tan. So get yourself a Tan Handy system and start spray tanning.